So, good afternoon, Sir JM. What is your thoughts on the fight of Oscar Duque and Carla Mas-Martin?
Well, the fight went the distance. Carla did just enough to win the fight dominantly. The scorecards were 99-91 twice and 98-92. Obviously naman, hinahanap ni Carla Mas yung knockout. Unfortunately, hindi niya nakuha yun kasi hindi niya ma-open yung guard ng kalaban. So at the end of the day, a win is a win, and hopefully we get to see him on the international scene moving forward.
So, do you think, Sir JM, na ready na po ba si Carla Mas-Martin sa mga top dogs, sa mga top contenders ito sa 122?
Bago ko kasi pumunta doon, ihiramin ko yung sabi ni Snow Badua. No, bago ka tumingin sa big win, salatin mo muna yung araw. We cannot rush the guy all of a sudden na after this top 5, world title fight. Unti-unti kasi sinabi naman ito before his team is building him up slowly but surely, no? So kung bigla mo yung itatapon sa mga pating, para saan pa yung years na binibuild up siya, diba? It doesn't make any sense. Yung ganun lang din. Right now, what he has to do is, hopefully makakuha siya ng break sa international scene, and kapag nabigyan na yan, tuloy-tuloy na yan. And that's what he needs Right now, i-enjoy na lang muna natin si Carla Mas dahil andito pa siya sa Pilipinas, kasi pag lumabas na yan, tuloy-tuloy na yan, puro international na laban yan.
Thank you, sir.